Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Tech Studio. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to fix WhatsApp call not ringing problem. To do that, you need to first open the settings on your device and scroll down, and you need to tap on apps. Now tap on app management. Wait until all the applications are loaded here. You can either scroll down and find out WhatsApp. If you don't find on that way, then tap on the search bar. Now you need to type in WhatsApp, and this will let you get access on the app info page. You need to tap on manage notifications button. You need to make sure that you have toggle on allow notifications so that you get all the notifications from WhatsApp. Come back with the arrow like button on the upper left corner to the same app info page. Now tap on permissions button. Make sure you have allowed all the apps permission here. If it isn't, then you need to tap on particular application and tap on allow. In the similar way, you can come back again and allow all the permissions of applications here. Once you are done allowing all the apps permission of WhatsApp, you need to come back to the same app info page. Now tap on the storage users button and clear all the cache on this storage uses. Once you have done these steps, you can resolve the WhatsApp call not ringing problem. And if it isn't yet solved, then once you need to update your WhatsApp application from the Play Store, simply tap on Play Store and tap on the search bar, search in WhatsApp. If you see an update button, tap on update and easily update the application, because the box on the WhatsApp itself may create problem of WhatsApp call not ringing problem. So once you are done, you can easily solve the WhatsApp call not ringing problem. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.